boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Birdie here, Heartbreaker, a very easy song. Only 2 chord, guys. We have one strumming pattern that goes through the entire song. So very nice to play this one. We'll go in clean here, no need for any capo. The only thing here is we're going to work with 2 bar chords. Alright, so let's look at the chords. We have first the F and then the G. So the first F here, we'll play this with a bar here on the 1st fret. Crosses over all strings there, this bar. And then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the F. And the G there, since this is just a 2 chord song and the first one is a bar chord, the easiest scenario here will be to just do the G as well with a bar chord. And so you don't have to work like this, switch all around. You just move the same grip to the 3rd position here. So your bar finger here, index finger on the 3rd fret, and it crosses all strings again. Exactly the same grip as the F. That gives us the rest. 5th on A, 5th on D, and 4th on G. So just move the same grip from this position to this position and back and forth like this. Alright, so let's take a look finally at the strumming pattern. It's very easy as well. It's down, clap, down, down, clap. That's one round. So down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, but you will change much faster in this. You're just gonna play 1 strumming round per chord, so F1, G1, F1, G1 through the entire song like this. So you really can practice your bar positioning here, how you switch the chords in the same grip. So it goes like this. Alright guys, so that was Birdie's Heartbreaker. So give it a try, watch the music video as well, a great one, funny. So till next time, play tuned.